Okay, question number 37. A battery of negligible internal resistance connected in series with a thermistor and a fixed resistor of resistance 12 kilo ohm. Okay, table shows the resistance 20 degrees resistance is 12 and 50 degrees the resistance is 5 kilo ohm. Okay, potential difference V out across the fixed resistor is 4.5 volt. Okay, so here it is 4.5 volt and the thermistor is at temperature of 20 degrees. At 20 degrees centigrade, so which means what? When this is 20 degrees, the thermistor is 12 kilo ohm. Okay, let me write it. When RTH is equal to 12 kilo ohm, this is 4.5 volt. Okay, when what is V out? What is this voltage when thermistor is at temperature 50 degrees centigrade? Okay, simple. So let the voltage source be V here. We do not know what is this value. Okay, we will have to find this first to get this value over here. So what we do is we will write first what is the current. The branch main current which is passing through this is nothing but is equal to V divided by RTH plus 12 over here. Okay, and if you ask me what is the voltage across this, so this V out will now be equal to I times 12 kilo ohms, I times 12 kilo ohms divided by what is this R. Okay, so this is what we have is the voltage. So this can be written as, instead of I, I'll write this because I do not know the I. I'll just write this one here. V divided by RTH. What is RTH? At 20 degrees centigrades, this is 4.5. At 20 degrees centigrades, this is 12K plus 12 over here multiplied by 12. Why 12 over here? This 12 I have put over here, right? Instead of I have substituted over here. So this should now be V into 12 divided by 24. 12 ones are 12 twos are. So V should be equal to 4.5 multiplied by 2, which is 9 volt. We already found out this value here. Okay, this is not going to change. It's always remaining the same. Okay, next what we are going to do? We are going to find what is V out when we have a temperature of this one. So how do we do? Once again use the same formula. So V output, where do I do it here? I don't have space. I'll do it here. I'll write V output is equal to V divided by RTH plus R. This R is 12K multiplied by 12K. Okay, so which should now be, what is V? 9. And what is the value of RTH? RTH at 50 is nothing but 5. So I'll write this as 5 and I will write this as plus 12 multiplied by 12 over here. So when I do this, I get the final value of V0. That's it. Very simple. So let me get this value. This should be 9 into 12 is equal to so much divided by 5 plus 12 is 17. I get the answer 6.35. 6.35 volt. 6.35 volt is answer C. Okay.